4C is a high-impact, semi-flexible thermoacrylic that can be used to make dentures, flexible partials, combination cases, hard night guards, and surgical stents. 4C comes in a variety of colors: clear, light pink, standard pink, dark pink, and is available in disc form and cartridge form. 4C acrylic for relines, repairs, and matrix processing is available in matching shades. Open the package and place discs in the dehydrator and let dry for 24 hours. Then use the discs. Or you can tear open the individual package and use the discs immediately. Design with a red pencil on the master model and block out with wax only if the case has extreme deep undercuts, but in most cases it is not needed. To duplicate the model, soak the model in water for approximately 5 minutes. Now remove the model from the water and blow off excess water with air without blowing off wax if blocked out. Place in a duplicating flask and fill with hydrocolloid. Now bench set for 5 minutes and then submerge in cold water, not tap water, for 30 minutes. Remove the model from the hydrocolloid carefully without tearing the hydrocolloid. Pour the hydrocolloid with yellow stone or dye stone, not plaster, and set stone as desired time per manufacturer. Remove the duplicate model from the hydrocolloid, then trim the model as close to the design as possible. Next, with a handpiece, trim the occlusal surface right above the design. This will allow for the correct thickness of partial to form. If not trimmed, it may cause certain areas to be too thin. Next is the air vac process. Air vac must be hooked to an air compressor and 110 volts. Now place the duplicate model on a tray, no separator is needed. Next, place the disc and secure it, then swing under heat. Once material reaches a ½ inch under the lower rim, turn on the vacuum. Lower the heated disc all the way, then swing away the heater and turn it off. Leave the vacuum on for 2 minutes. If a rip or hole occurs while vacuuming, immediately mend area with surrounding material with a spatula while still on vacuum. Now turn off the vacuum. Remove the model from the air vac. Trim off the excess material with a cutoff disc, then trim the borders all around with a knockdown wheel. Remove the partial from the duplicate model. With a knockdown wheel, trim down to the desired design. To seat the partial on a master model and complete detailed anatomy, use a handpiece with an acrylic burr. Place the master model on an articulator to set the teeth. Then set teeth in wax to the occlusion and wax up for the matrix. To do matrix, you can use yellow stone or lab putty. Wash off the wax in hot water. If you are using our 4C fusing liquid, no retention is needed to be done on the teeth. If not, then do retention on the teeth as usual. Next, secure the teeth on the matrix. Place 1 drop of 4C fusing liquid on each tooth and on the base. The working time is up to 5 minutes to process. Prepare the acrylic to the desired consistency and place in the matrix. Now place the matrix onto the partial. Once done, place the partial into a pressure pot. If using 4C acrylic, cook for 10 minutes at 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius at 20 psi. Next, remove from the pressure pot. Rearticulate and check the bite. Finish the partial using your desired acrylic burrs. No special burrs are needed. If the clasps are too loose, use a hot air torch to tighten the clasps. Now polish with pumice for acrylics. Rinse and use high shine for acrylics for final polish. Finally, place in an ultrasonic cleaner for 5 minutes and rinse with cold water. And voila! All equipment, materials, and supplies demonstrated or shown are available from Posca Dental Supply.